Good morning, everyone. Today topic is strings part two, and strings definition. Once again, string is an array of characters. When the string is defining within the double quotations sequence of order is called string. RORR. A string is a series of characters treated as a unit. It means that when you are arranging the letters in a one by one in strings location. It was a series of order. For example, I am taking character is a primitive data type. When the string using the only character data type only, greeting is the string name. Greeting is the string name. I am taking the string size is 6. I am using the square brackets. When the size is declaring in the square brackets only. And square brackets token I am defining the string name is hello. Each and every string defining the individually within the single quotations and end with the null character. If we want to a string of size n, it is a better to declare string of size n plus 1 because of null character. When the string is arranging the memory location, the size of memory location, for example 1000, and the second string location, suppose h is stored in memory location is 1000 and e is stored in memory location is 1001 and l is stored in 1002. That's why the string of size is n plus 1 and also string size 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that like. Okay, that one is the string size is n plus 1. And strings taxonomy. Strings taxonomy means when the string is declaring the size and it is a different types. And here when the size of the string defining the two types. One is a fixed length and is another one is variable length. And the variable length can be defined as two types: length controlled and delimited. Delimited string is also called as C string. Fixed length string. Fixed length means it is a type of a string where the length of the string is fixed. Once the string is fixed, it final to the taking of the size of the length. It means I am declaring the size 10. The entire function go to the size is 10 only. When implementing the fixed length string format, the first decision is the size of the variable only. In the fixed length, some of the drawbacks is there. When we are declaring the size is small, when we are allocating the string is large, then the string is collapse. When the size is declaring the small, when the declaring size is string size is high, that time also string memory location is collapse. And we are declaring small high size, I'm giving small string. That kind of situation also memory location is collapse. Here fixed length is not perfect to the string declaration. Variable length string. Variable length string can be expand and contract to the connect to the accumulate the data, and it is can be defined as a length control strings. Here the variable length is what the user required size is defining in a function. When you are increasing the size of the size string size, will be ready to increasing the size. The length control string. Length control strings means count to that specific number of characters in the string. Suppose in this I am storing hello, HELLO, hello. How many characters are stored in this string is 5. That is the length control string. It means that the specific number of strings stored in the count be defined. Delimited string. Delimited string is the end of the string is the null character. A string that ends with a delimiter like a null character, then the string is called delimited string. I am here in this HELLO, hello, and end with the null character. Here the delimiting string size is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. String size is 6, but we are storing the characters are 5 only. Here we are observing null character also taking the string size. Declaration of the string. String declaration defines memory for a string when it is declared as an array in local memory. The general syntax for declaring string is character is a data type, it is a primitive data type, string name and the size. Size is declared within the square brackets and with the semicolon. Example, char string 9. 9 is the size of the string and with the semicolon. And also here another declaration of the string as a pointer. Pointer is the address of the variable. Syntax, char star is the representing of the pointer variable and with the semicolon. Example, char star p and with the semicolon. Here once again getChar and putChar functions. These are the two important in the strings functions. GetChar, it reads only one character at a time. General format is a character variable. Character variables we have to take C, CH, name, anything we have to take it. Equal to getChar. Example, char C, I am defining the character is the data type and C is the variable, and C equal to getChar. The getChar assigning to the variable C. PutChar, it display only one character at a time. General format PutChar character variable and with the semicolon. Example, char C, and the char C defining as the putChar C. C program to read and display the characters by using the unformatted input output. Unformatted are printf, scanf using in the programming. The getChar, putChar functions are defining a programming. Here getChar means only single character defining the repeatedly. PutChar is the single character displaying the repeat in the function of the string. Here a main function, I am taking the character is a primitive data type, defining the variable is C, printf, enter the character. getChar is the unformatted input. Here C is a reading one time only in a sequence order. Printf, enter the string, /n is taken the new line. PutChar displaying the single character in a sequence order. And gets and puts function. Get and puts also two are the unformatted input output functions. Gets means the length almost 80 characters in a line. It reads the string. General format gets string name and with the semicolon. Puts it displays string of length almost 80 characters in a line. General format or syntax is puts string name and with the semicolon. Gets and puts are the to overcome the drawbacks of the scanf and printf and to directly defining the certain string name in a programming, not using like percentage of d, percentage of s, percentage of d. These such a kinds are avoiding in the getc and putc. Here defining the string name or displaying the string name directly in the puts and gets. And in one of the example, C programming to read and display string by using gets and puts function main. The character is a primitive data type. I am taking string name is S1, size is 80 and with the semicolon. I am declaring the string size within the square brackets. Puts enter the string and with the semicolon. Here puts means printf. Gets S1 and with a semicolon. Gets means it is a input function and just like act as a scanf. But I am not any defining ampersand or percentage of s in gets. Puts and another taking puts enter this string is, and puts is here the puts defining the displaying of the string s1 on the screen. This is the output. First enter this string. I am entering Ravi and space Varma. The enter this string is the reading puts is Ravi Varma. And the next topic is string manipulation or string functions or string operations or string library functions. The string manipulation functions are also called as string operations, string functions, string library functions. In this table, I am defining strcat. It means a string concatenation. In the string concatenation, you have to take two strings compulsory. strcpy, it is a string copy. It copies one string over the another string. String CMP means string comparison. Comparison means two strings to be comparing in the functions. String len means string length. Find the length of the strings. One thing, string concatenation, string copy, string comparison, string length. String concatenation. It joins two strings together. It takes the following form or syntax. String cat, it means a string concatenation. String 1 means I am taking string 1 string and another one is string 2. Where the string 1, string 2 are the characters array, when the string concatenation execute the string 2 is appended to the string 1. It means string 2 data going to the string 1. When you are observing the assigning operator, right hand side of the data will be joined to the left hand side data. Here the string 2 data go to the string 1. This is the example of the string concatenation. String concatenation means string 2 data go to string 1. Okay. Main function, I'm writing main function. The compiler start with the programming the main function. I'm taking character is a primitive data type, S1 and string 1, S2 is my string 2. I'm declaring the S1 size is 80 within the square brackets, S2 is 80 within the square brackets. Puts means it is a printf. Enter the my first string, gets S1. Here the string S1 I am defining the Ravi. puts enter the second string, gets S2. Gets S2 means to take in directly S2 of the string. My string, second string is defining the Varma. Printf before concatenate S1 equal to percentage of S format specifier of S. It means a string 1 defining in the displaying of the S1. S2 equal to format specifier S. Here second string is Varma. S1 and S2. Here the before concatenation means what we are taking the present execution the string 1 string 2. Here in the printer function S1 printing Ravi, S2 is a printing Varma. String concatenation S1 and S2 end with a semicolon. My string S1 is Ravi, S2 is Varma. Puts the concatenate string S1. It means that the S2 will be added to the S1. It means Ravi Varma. String S1 puts S1. Ravi Varma is the output. Printf the second string is puts S2. The string S2 is Varma. Here the concatenation of the programming. In the simple logic, concatenation means to adding string 2 is adding to the string 1. Okay, and string 2 data string 2 not be changed. S2 not be changed. Varma is will be there and string 1 will be changed because string 2 will be changed to the S1 Ravi Varma. And string copy, it copies contents of one string into the another string. Syntax string copy string 1 comma string 2 and with a semicolon. In this above syntax, string copy string 2 will be copied in the string 1. Example, main char S1 taking the size is 80, S2 taking size is string size is 80 and with the semicolon. Puts enter the first string. I am entering the first string is Ravi, gets S1. The first string getting to the directly in the S1. Puts enter the second string, gets S2 Sai. Before means when the given first string and second string names as it is print in the screen. Printf before copy S1 equal to percentage S, percentage is a format specifier S and S2 is a format specifier. In the first string I am given Ravi. Here displaying before copy S1 is Ravi and S2 is Sai. After that the string copy will be applying S1 comma S2 and with a semicolon, and string 2 is Sai, string 1 is Ravi. It will after copying the S1 equal to format specifier S, S2 is equal to format specifier S. It means that S1 is Ravi Sai output and S2 is Sai. String comparison. String comparison means it compares these two strings. String comparison function C compares two given strings and returns the 0 if these are same. In these two strings, if the string 1 is less than string 2, string less than, if the function string 1 is less than string 2, it returns the -1. If the length of the string 1 greater than string 2, it returns the 1. And string 1 equal to string 2, it equal to display in the 0. Syntax of the str comparison string 1 comma string 2 and with the semicolon. Here the example, I am taking as it is character S1 80, S2 is 80, index int means here I am taking data type integer x, puts enter the first string end with a semicolon, gets s1 semicolon, get at one s1 means I am entering the here the first string coming through here, puts enter the second string and with a semicolon gets s2. Here x equal to string comparison s1 comma s2. Here I am taking the integer variable x, comparison of these two strings. If these two strings are equal to 0, two strings are equal displaying. If the two strings not equal to 0, the two strings are not equal to. String strl, string length. String length means in a string how many strings are how many characters stored in string. It is displaying the exact count. Syntax n equal to n means here integer variable string length string and with semicolon, where n is the integer variable which contains the length of the string. C program for implementation of string manipulation operation length with library functions and strlen. Main function start with function character taken string is str, size is 80 and with a semicolon. I am taking integer variable n and with semicolon. Puts is enter the string gets str and with a semicolon n equal to strlen. Here what I am entering the string coming to the gets function, and that function read as strl length. Here printf is the length of the string is equal to percentage of d and string name. Here I am declaring the integer variable n. C programming for palindrome string. Palindrome means if the two strings, I am taking if the string read from left to right, right to left, it is equal. If are not equal, it is not a palindrome. If the given string left to right, right to left is equal, it is a palindrome string. If I am taking void main, if the void main taken not defining the return 0. I am taking character string size is 20. I am taking the integer variable I length flag equal to 0. Printf enter a string and with a semicolon gets string name. I am reading here string. I am printing enter the string length equal to string length str. The given string to be defining the string length. I am taking the here the for loop. If I equal to 0, I less than length, I plus plus. And I am taking also if function. If the if function is equal, flag equal to 1, is breaking the if function. And if the flag is equal to 0, printing the palindrome. If the flag not equal to 0, printing the not a palindrome. And if suppose I am taking length size is 5. For string I is initially 0, string 0, not equal to str length, I am taking 5, I value 0, already 1, 5 minus 4. String 0 not equal to string 4. If the flag is equal to 0, printing the palindrome, first string. This is the function going in the